Hey everyone, and welcome back to Don't Travel. Today, I'm going to be talking about maximizing credit card earnings. Whether you're a seasoned vet or you're just starting out, I'm going to be giving advice for all skill levels. I'm going to scratch the surface on some advanced stuff, and then I'm going to give you some of the easier stuff as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off with number one, it's going to be the easiest way, and that is just daily, everyday spend. The important thing to note here is to never ever earn one times point on a credit card. It's just a sin. You don't want to do it. There are tons of free credit card earning options that give you multiple points per dollar. I'm talking about the Capital One Venture and then also the Amex Blue Business. Both of those are a $0 annual fee card. The Capital One would give you 1.25 points, while the Amex Blue Business is going to give you 2 points on all earnings. If you want to spend an annual fee every year, there are dozens of cards that give you bang for your buck when you want to spend. I'm talking about 4 times points on restaurants, 4 times points on supermarkets for the Amex Gold, and then 3 times points on gas, groceries, restaurants, hotels, and air travel for the City Premier. So there are tons of earning options for everyone's budget. The most important thing to note is to never ever earn that 1x point. Number 2, going along with daily spend is going to be everyone's favorite part, and that's the sign-up bonus. So with the sign-up bonus, what happens is, after a set period of time and a set threshold, you're going to receive a bonus. For example, most credit cards will give you between 50 and 125,000 points. Right now, the City Premier has a sign-up bonus of 60,000 points after 4K spend in 3 months, whereas the Amex Platinum is going to have a 100,000 point bonus after 8K spend in 6 months. So it's quite different, and a lot of these times it's targeted offers, so not everyone gets the same sign-up bonus. Next is promotional offers, and these also deal with everyday spend. Lots of banks have them, and sometimes they're targeted where you can earn an extra amount of points for just normal everyday spend. What I mean on that is, you can earn a set amount of money back after spending, let's see, $250 on SeatGeek, you're going to get $50 back. That's a promo right now through Amex. There's also going to be a 2 times point bonus on Ruth Chris Steakhouse through Amex. So you're already earning that 4 times points on restaurants with the gold card. Might as well get 6 times points total if you just sign up for the bonus. Another promotional offer, I guess you can almost call it, it's called a referral bonus. And what that is exactly like it sounds. You refer someone and you get a bonus. Say you go ahead and recommend your husband or your wife for a credit card. They open that credit card. Now that credit card company, say Amex, is going to give you 40,000, 50,000 points just for them signing up for the credit card. Next, we're going to talk about 3 more advanced topics, maybe for the everyday point warrior who's going after that last point for every dollar they spend. So the first one is called a specialized partnership. And let me give you an example of that. For instance, Uber and Marriott, they have a partnership. And what that is that every time you take an Uber ride, you're going to earn a set number of Marriott points for every dollar spent. It's actually pretty cool because you were going to take that ride anyways, so might as well earn additional points for doing something you were already going to do. The last 2 categories we're going to talk about are the hardest, and they actually require the most work out of any of the ones I talked about. So the first one, it's called a shopping portal. And what that is, it's an external portal where you can earn additional points spent for every dollar that you spend. There's something called the American Airlines shopping portal, and where if you sign in with your American Airlines account and you make a purchase through their website, you're going to earn your credit card points, plus you'll earn American Airlines miles and loyalty points towards status. So for another example is going to be, right now they're offering an extra 4 miles per dollar spent at Under Armour, 4 miles per dollar spent at Macy's. So in conjunction with the points you already earned from that credit card, you're going to earn additional miles just for making that purchase. So that $100 purchase at Under Armour through your Capital One card, 2 times points, gotta maximize. Now it's going to earn you an additional 400 American Airlines miles plus 400 miles towards status. So that's a total of 600 miles just when you should have been earning 200 miles. So there are tons of these portals out there. You have Rakuten, you have Retail Me Not, you have Top Cash Back, Max Rebates, things like that. There are tons. So just make sure you do your research and get the best possible cash back. Sticking with American Airlines and shopping portals, let's talk about American Airlines and dining portals. So just like the shopping portal, what you have to do here is head to their website and link any card you're going to use on dining with the American Airlines dining portal. From there, it just works in the background. So I know I said it was hard earlier, but it just takes a little bit of work in the beginning to get it set up. And then from there, it just works in the background. So any restaurant you visit that's part of the American Airlines dining portal and it has your card linked to it, you're going to earn American Airlines miles for it, as well as loyalty points. So say you're out and about and you stop by somewhere that's part of the program. You're going to earn miles just because you stopped there. Now, once you link the card, it's quite easy, like I said. It works in the background. And other hotels and major airlines are jumping on this dining portal thing as well. So if American Airlines isn't your cup of tea, maybe you can check out one of the other dining portals. And just like that, another credit card video comes to a close. I hope you learned something from this video today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.